Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor. Today we have a Porsche 911 996 chassis, Carrera 4S, absolutely stunning in this more blue than silver colour, low mileage, mint condition. I mean, just look at that. Stunning motor, really. These have aged well, actually. I'm a fan of these. But this has had a Kenwood 7-inch screen, a DMX 8020 model. I'm going to take you around the back first, show you what we've done here, because it's had a reverse camera added. Now, reverse camera goes right above the number plate just there. Let's get a bit of a close up on it. Nice and flush fitted, real factory fitted looking. You know, you're not going to see that from 20 feet behind the car. Customer didn't want the, I'm not going to say the word ugly, the DAB area on the windscreen. He wanted it hidden. Can't exactly hide them, but we have done our best to get it away from the peripheral vision of the customer. So what we've done is we've actually put it on the rear window of the car. Look at that. Looks factory almost. Oh, meet Mark and Max, other boys in the shop. They're admiring the green wheels we've just fitted on our demo car. In fact, there they are. More to come on that motor. Right, I'm in the Porsche 911 now. I'm going to turn it on and show you what it looks like. So, there it is in the dash. Porsche logo we put on as well, so it just keeps it more in keeping. Change the illumination of the buttons to actually amber to match the factory illumination of the Porsche. We've used a nice colour matched flush fit fascia, so it actually fits real nice. No panel gaps or anything, it butts up against the edges, lovely. So this Kenwood, starting from the top, what it offers you, you've got DAB radio, you have FM radio, you've got Bluetooth, you've got USB connectivity. USBs on this model goes in the centre console, just there, which is also lockable, so a bit of security there. We have Apple CarPlay, just see that logo there. That's also wireless connectivity as well. We have Android Auto, which is also wireless connectivity. We can also expand on this unit, so we could fit the customer HDMI input if they wanted to, I don't know, plug an Amazon Fire Stick in, they get bored in traffic. Obviously with the handbrake up and completely stop, they can obviously watch Netflix if they really want to. I wouldn't suggest doing that when you're driving, it's illegal. But yeah, this looks really good, really happy with this job. We've retained the factory fibre optic amplifier because it's had an audio upgrade as standard from Porsche, so that all works. But yeah, job's good and happy with how it's turned out. Plenty more examples to come on this channel. We'll see you soon. For now, goodbye.